Head over to my blog at www.sheadsflavor.com to sign up for my newsletter and be the first to check out my exclusive recipes and other content. I will leave the link listed down below. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making Asiago rosemary rolls. Yum. These rolls are soft, cheesy, and delicious, and the best part is you don't need any special equipment at all to make these. So let's get started. So I'll get started by warming my milk and butter on the stove top, but you can also warm them in the microwave. If you do, just be sure it doesn't get too hot. It should be warm to the touch or at about 110 degrees. If you are in doubt, always use an instant read food thermometer. Now I'm going to prepare the rest of the ingredients. First, I'm going to mix my salt and my flour together. Then I'm going to also beat my eggs and set those aside. And then finally, I'll add my sugar and my yeast in with my butter and milk mixture. So I cover the yeast mixture and I let this sit for about 5 minutes. It's ready to use once you see the yeast froth and gather at the top. Once my yeast is ready to use, I'll go ahead and add it to my flour mixture along with my beaten eggs. And then I'm going to use a wooden spoon here and I'm just going to mix the ingredients well to combine. I also check to see if the dough is too sticky. If the dough is too sticky, just add in a little bit of flour, about a tablespoon at a time. Now I'm just going to knead the dough for about 10 minutes until it's soft and gently bounces back when pressed. Once I'm done kneading my dough, I place it in a greased bowl and then I'll go ahead and cover that, and then this is gonna sit for about 1 to 2 hours for the first rise. After the first rise, it's time to roll out the dough and get to the fun stuff. Yes, I love stuffed bread, anything bread actually. So what I'm gonna do is just take a little bit of garlic powder, rosemary, and I'm gonna mix that in with my grated Asiago cheese. Now I'm going to spread softened butter evenly on the dough, and then I'm going to sprinkle a very generous amount of this cheese mixture on top of it, only reserving a little bit to top the rolls with. So now just roll the dough tightly to form a log, and I'm going to cut this into 12 equal pieces and place them in a greased baking dish. Now I sprinkle the rolls with the rest of the cheese and the herbs, then I place them in a warm place for about 30 minutes until they are nice and plump. After the second rise, I bake these in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes, and then they are pretty much gobbled up after that. These rolls are so cheesy and delicious. It's definitely a recipe to keep around for the holidays or any day. Honestly, I can eat these rolls any day. But that is going to wrap up this video, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me for another delicious recipe. I'll see you later. Bye.